Who doesn't love the smell of fall? Wow. I am on my way back to Salt Fork to continue with section 6 of the GOAT. We are almost there. Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here. And as I just alluded to, we are at the start of section 6 of the GOAT. If you're doing what I'm doing and going north to south. If you're coming up from the south, then this would be the end here in Salt Lake. It's a beautiful fall morning. It's like 45 degrees, quite chilly. But this is the kind of weather that I live for. It's going to get in the 80s today. And as you can see behind me, this is Salt Fork. This is why I love fall. This is amazing. Let me get my ugly mug out of this shot. All right, let's get going on section 6 here. The only negative of this side of the year is the leaf buildup on the roads. It can hide potholes and ruts and things like that make it just a little bit more treacherous. So I got all day. It's 125 miles on this loop. No hurry. Let's go. This is Nighthawk Road. And I have to make a left here. Basically, it's a one-lane road. I'm currently on County Road 75, and this is just another road in this particular area that has a lot of oil and gas traffic signs, which has made the road kind of rough in spots. But I haven't experienced any of that traffic just yet. But I can see what looks like a dually axle has just been through here recently. Just keep that in mind. In this area, you may or may not run into very large vehicles. This is a total surprise. I was just looking at this. This looks like the best route through. That's the shortest route through the water. But there's a huge rock there, and it's fairly deep, so I don't know if that's just something really easy to go over or if I need to panic. Okay, panic for nothing, not even a wiggle. But hey, when you're by yourself, take your time. Better to be safe than sorry. That's what you call a jumping bail. Well, we found Ring Mill Campground here in the Wayne National Forest. I thought it was a good time to take a break and reflect a little bit, but show you around. It's been, I don't know, half hour or so since I did the whole whiskey throttle thing and threw the bike down. Still not sure how that happened. I was just doing the old friction zone thing, just trying to mitigate the throttle, make sure I was staying out of the holes, and I'm not sure what I did to cause the back tire to break traction like that, but once I got to the 180 mark and had spun around, I decided it's better to bail than hold on. So I just bailed, as you saw. Luckily, I didn't go in the ditch, and that's part of the reason I bailed, as I saw that ditch there. But this is kind of a cool campground. It's still open. I don't know anything about it, but check this out. Huh. It may not be the most wide open, but you could get some small size camping trailers in here. Check this out. Who knew? And yesterday was the day I just did that covered bridge tour in Ashtabula County. And here I get another one. Another sharp turn. Can we do it again? Let's hope not. I'm still not sure how the heck I managed to whiskey throttle it like that. Yeah, this is tame. One of those that have had any water in it. There's been a bunch on this road. All right, we are almost done with this route. I'm still in the middle of nowhere, and that road right there to the left is McCain Road, and from this point of view, the last part of it is steep downhill and major rocky. I came up for it, and just to quote my buddy at Mel at work, I just had to send it. There was just no backing out. It's pretty ruddy. You can tell it's been soft a lot. What am I on now? This is considered Brooks Road. I hope it gets smoother from here because I'm exhausted. I'm about ready to bail and just find pavement. Wow. Brooks Road. This one hasn't been too bad. It's had a few rough rocky spots, but not like McCain Road I mean just had. This is Tittle Run Road. We were on State Route 26 for just a couple of seconds, which if you want a paved road, that's a great amount of fun and beautiful. Take State Route 26 either north or south into or out of Marietta all the way up to Woodsfield. It's a great ride. We are almost done with this route. I've got 7.7 miles left. Oh, another creek crossing. If you want to call that a creek. This route has had several potential water crossings. Like when I got on McCain Road, it went down through a pretty wicked ditch that I'm sure is probably deep at times. And here comes a tractor. And another creek crossing. Well, that wasn't something I expected to find. And this is a pretty rough road on top of that. This would be, like I've already said, lots of water crossings if the water table was high. Being it's the end of October, things are usually dry. Hey, how you doing? It's future editor Pat here. I just realized something with this goat section 6. I never did any kind of wrap-up portion. The usual, if you would, give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, all that wonderful stuff. Just let me say one thing about that section. It's going to be my last here of calendar year 2024. I'm just running out of time. And excuse the wind. It's an amazingly windy day here. Hopefully I can edit that out and post. But thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of that. And watch out for McCain Road.